Lady and the Infant Jesus in a seaside scene with 15 families or houses representing the 15 mysteries of religion. The unit banner announces that the Rosary Prayer meeting is to be held that night so that the community may join together and pray as a community of God. This was painted by a leper from Santa Barbara Rosario in Iloilo upon the request of Dato Antonio Gaston. The idea was to have a Filipino interpretation of the Virgin to attract the masses. The image is in the care of the Angeles family of Santa Mesa, Manila.